What's up YouTube? How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. So by the title you might have already guessed where we are going today. The location is Mallanna Sagar. I've been wanting to explore a new place for quite some time because I've been riding to the same places from the past few months. So this is going to be a good one. I don't know how the place is going to look like, but I've heard good things about that place. And my initial thought was to go to some place this weekend and click some photographs of my bike, because it's been so long that I've been able to click some photos of my bike. That's the idea. But one of my friends, Ram, he's a great YouTuber. You can see his profile somewhere on the screen. I'll add it here. So yeah, he is a great YouTuber. He's a great person. He texted me asking if there are any plans for the weekend, asking if I'm riding anywhere. So I said, yeah, this is the kind of plan for me, but if you think we can do a small ride and explore some place, then I'm up for it. So then we decided to go to Mallanna Sagar because we both haven't been there. I wanted to see how that place looks like. So here we are for that location. Ah man, high beams. He has done the mighty Leh Ladakh ride already, maybe sometime 2 years ago. I really wish I could also do that, but given so many things to consider, I'm not really sure if I can do that. Who is this guy, man? So Suchitra would be the meeting point for us. He's coming from a different location and I'm coming from a different location. So let's see how this goes and how the place looks like, and stay tuned for more. Okay, looks like we're closer to the meeting point. I hope he's not already there and waiting for me. I said I'll be there by 6:30 and now the time is 6:26. Okay, I'll probably give him a call once I reach, or else is he calling me? No, not right now. Not yet. Okay, I have to take a U-turn. Alright. Let's see where the U-turn is. Okay, we have reached the meeting point. Let me call him up. Okay, he said he's gonna meet me at Shamirpet Lake. Shamirpet Lake. I don't know where the Shamirpet Lake is, but no worries, let's get started. Such a beautiful morning. The temperatures are low. Very pleasant time to ride your bike. The reason why I chose this route is half of it is the army area. I mean, it's a pleasant route to enjoy your morning ride. People do follow traffic rules here. If not, you know what happens. So not much of honking. People stay in their lanes and I can enjoy my morning ride, you know. And added to that, if you see any army area, there's so many plants, so many trees, that's almost green everywhere. So you'll probably feel a little bit cool on your summer morning rides. So I'm happy. The temperatures are down. I don't know how long will this stay like this. So yeah, I'm gonna enjoy my morning ride. And the other half of it is the highways, where you can, you know, bump up the speeds to hundreds. That's Triumph Rocket. Oh my god, there's a super bike lineup behind me. I'm gonna show it to you just in a while. That's the Rocket Street Triple. And what else? Do we have anything else? No? Oh my god, I'm getting goosebumps already, man. Such a good morning ride, man. Really like it. That symphony, man. That symphony. Nah, I'm good. I'm not gonna chase them. I'll be going in my own pace. Doesn't make any sense to follow them. Like, those are super bikes. One twist of a throttle, they'll disappear. I probably stop my bike and freaking hell, man, there's no way to stop here. So I just crossed Shamirpet Lake and I didn't stop there because there were monkeys around. I don't have a good experience with monkeys, so I'm waiting here at Pista House. He'll be coming, so let's wait. Okay, there he is, the man, Ram's War. Coming, buddy. Yo, what's up, man? ఎలా ఉన్నావు? చాలా రోజులు అయింది. లేదు, ముందుకెళ్దాం. అక్కడ అది బాగుంటుంది ఆ లొకేషన్ S4. So as I said earlier, you can bump up the speeds to hundreds and you can justify having the higher cc motorcycles. Like, if you see the plain sight and the clear road ahead, why not hit the hundreds? And if you see some traffic, you should probably slow down. I see so much of traffic today, I'm not sure why. But let's not complicate things. Ride slow. There's a food court in this route called S4 Food Courts. A very nice place, decent ambience, plenty of space to park your vehicles, and the food is good. Seriously. I'll show you some glimpse of it in a while. And let me know in the comments if you have already visited this place and share some experience. So if I have to choose where to ride on a weekend, probably the second best place I would choose than Hill Park. The first one would be Hill Park, obviously, because the highway gives the utmost adrenaline to me. Where the heck is this guy coming? Okay. So that's fine, but you at least give the indicator, right? Man. Uh-oh. Here are the bikes. ఎక్కడ పెడదాం? అక్కడ పెడదాం. Okay, we are done with the breakfast and heading to Mallanna Sagar Reservoir. Hopefully, we'll be reaching in next few minutes. It's just like 15 kilometers from here, approximately, as per Google Maps. So let's see how it goes. As you have seen, I did manage to capture some photos and videos of some fellow riders that have visited the S4 on their Sunday ride. I think these are the guys I've given the way. Good people. When I asked them, they just said, yeah, go ahead, just ensure the number plates are not showing up in any of the videos. So as you see, all good. Okay. We're kind of going through some village roads. Nice. Not much of traffic. The greens are looking great. Man, this gives me the countryside vibe. I wish it was winter. The temperatures have gone down even low. But that could be it. Nice. Okay, let's explore. Come on. We're nearby. All excited. Let's see how the place looks like. I hope I don't get disappointed. I hope there's a way to enter the viewpoint maybe. I thought I'd get photos of my bike, but this loose gravel and dirt making my bike dirty. I really hate it when you don't have the control over the tarmac. I should get a better grip on my bike with this kind of a little off-roading maybe. I know this is not a great off-roading vehicle, but still this is definitely manageable. I'm sure KTMs are capable of doing this small off-roading things. Yeah, well, I'm enjoying the ride. This is good. This is really good. Okay. This doesn't seem really good to me. This scares me. Yes, it's whoa! Doggo! If you guys ever visited the Konda Pochama reservoir, that's a little bit better because they have built it out. They have the tar roads, the tarmac, so it's easy to maneuver there. But I think this reservoir is still under construction, hence the loose gravel. Okay, just be careful because I'm not used to this kind of terrain, so I'll take it slow. What happened? Why is he giving me the signals that there's nothing here? And hey, అటే వెళ్ళాలనుకుంటా. That part of the reservoir is looking really great. What is this? Interesting stuff. I think these are some water containing storage units, maybe. Ah man, that looks really, really good. Definitely the countryside vibes. I really love it. అంటే వెళ్తుంటే ఏమొస్తుందో తెలీదు. ఇక్కడ కదా ఒక వాటర్ ప్లాంట్ లాగా ఉంది లోపలికి వెళ్ళడానికి. సంథింగ్ యూట్యూబ్లో ఒక వీడియో చూసా. సో అది ఎట్లా ఉందంటే వాటర్ ప్లాంట్ కట్టినట్టు. Unfortunately, this was not the location I expected, and I did set this wrong. Yeah, we're heading back to that location now. So this is what happens when I don't plan out my locations correctly. I thought this is going to be the project location, but turns out to be the reservoir location, which has nothing here, just like a barren land. No worries, we still did manage to get some photos. Okay, I don't know where the Google Maps is taking us. This road really doesn't look good and we don't know where to go now. Biscuita? Biscuita? Damn it. They're saying that they're not allowing into the tunnel and we need some permissions. Unfortunately, we don't have anything. Well, we came till this far, so why not just visit that location and see if there's any little possibility that we could enter into that tunnel. Let's see. Oh, there it is, I think. Roads are not so good. Dude, there should be some water coming from that, right? What the hell? And where the hell did we come? అసలు లొకేషన్ ఉందా? అక్కడ ఏదో షాప్ ఉన్నట్టుంది, వాళ్ళని అడుగుదామా? అక్కడ ఏదో షాప్ ఉంది, వాళ్ళని అడుగుదామా? Alright, we're back at the studio. It was one hell of a disappointing ride. Well, some lessons in life are learned the hardest way. So let's call it a wrap and see you in the next one. I need some whiskey. What?